Hello guys, welcome to Agriculture Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about farm operations and especially tillage. You can have some updates of our YouTube channel as well as MCQ mock test and MCQ practice on our two Telegram channels. So do join our channels. Before starting video, as usual, I have one question for you guys. In India, which crop was used for experiment of zero tillage? It means which crop was first used for experiment of zero tillage. So we will move towards farm operation. As if we are talking about farm machinery, so we should know what are the farm operations which are carried along the field, so that we can easily adapt, modify and redevelop farm machinery. First one is land preparation. We know as agriculture practice started, the land preparation starts and having most important. Then we continue with sowing, then transplanting, then weeding, irrigation, plant protection, harvesting, drying, sorting and storage. So all these sequential operations are carried in farm, which we have to look as a agriculture engineer. In land preparation, we use MB plow, disc plow, harrows, cultivator, rotavator and much more equipments. In sowing, seed drill. In transplanting, transplanters or planters. In weeding, weeders. Irrigation has various engines, pumps, drippers, sprinklers, etc. Then in plant protection, sprayer, duster, fogger are used. In harvesting, various specified harvesters and combine harvester are used. Drying is related with renewable energy technology. Also sorting includes in post harvest engineering, and storage also comes in post harvest engineering. So these are the 10 operations which mostly carried to grow a particular crop. Then we will come at tillage. The tillage is a mechanical manipulation of soil to provide favorable condition for crop production. It enables the root to penetrate and spread into the soil. So we can say a simple tool implement used to disturb the performa or surface of the soil, the operation is called as tillage. So we can say what are the objectives of tillage. First one is to obtain a deep seed bed for crop cultivation. Again, to add more humus and fertility. Third one is to destroy and prevent weeds. To aerate the soil. As we open the hard pan of the soil, the maximum surface of soil is open to air. So the aeration takes place in between them. Again, to increase the water holding capacity. We all know as humus and fertility is added and organic compound is increasing, the ultimately water holding capacity of soil increases. Again, to destroy insects, pests and breeding places, and to reduce soil erosion. Then we will move what are the types of the tillage. Here it is given the preparatory cultivation and after cultivation. We will mostly discuss some preparatory cultivation tillage operations. Again, it is divided into primary tillage, secondary tillage and layout of seed bed. So in primary tillage, why it is called primary? Because if we have taken one crop, the season of one crop is over and field is empty. So whatever the first manipulation of soil carried in the field is called primary tillage. The main objective of primary tillage is to break hard pan of the soil. In secondary tillage, the hard pan is already broken, so we have to condition soil to have objective crop. Means according to crop, we have to make soil favorable for it and make a good environment for it. The objectives of secondary tillage are to pulverize soil, to destroy grasses, to cut the crop residue and to break big clods into the uniform surface. The deep tillage, subsoiling and year round are three Subtypes of primary tillage. I would suggest you personally find difference between these three tillages. Okay. And layout of seed bed. We know preparation of seed bed having leveler and clod breaker. So using them we make a layout of seed bed according to crop requirement. Also there are some types of tillages like minimum tillage, strip tillage, rotary tillage, mulch tillage and combined tillage. So in minimum tillage the soil manipulation is made to minimum objective, means lesser soil should be disturbed. In strip tillage isolated bands of soil and land is tilled to perform seed bed. Again rotary tillage, in rotary operation it is adapted to perform rotary objective. Then mulch tillage, crop residue and vegetation left on the near of the surface, so it will act as mulch to protect crop from erosion. Then combined tillage, the tillage operation carried simultaneously by two or more implements to simplify the operation is called combined tillage. So guys, primary tillage implements, it is very important, so we should have the idea to differentiate primary tillage implements and secondary tillage implements. Plow, MB plow, disc plow, then subsoil plow, chisel plow are the primary tillage implements. The first image shows the indigenous plow. Again the right hand top image shows MB plow and last one is disc plow. MB plow and disc plow specification we will separately discuss in upcoming videos. Again the secondary tillage implements. The first image is the clod crusher, which is used to break the clods of soil and make soil uniform. Then at the left corner it is harrow, which used to cut the grass and clods. At right corner it is an cultivator, which is tine type, and at the top of the right side it is a leveler. So these are some common implements which are used in primary and secondary tillage. So you should have idea how to differentiate them. Then I was asking one question, that what is the zero tillage and which crop was used to experiment zero tillage. So we will see zero tillage is the process where the crop seed will be sown through the drillers without prior land preparation and disturbing the soil where the previous crop stubbles are present. Means the opening of soil should be kept very minimum and the prior remains of the crop kept in the farm, which will act as mulch as well as organic residue for upcoming crop. In India, the wheat was the first crop which was used to experiment for zero tillage. Again, which university proposed the first zero till seed drill? So GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology Pantnagar made first zero till seed drill to adapt this zero tillage. So guys, thanks for watching.